integration of 1 upon 5, it is in the form of differentiation is available here. Okay, if we assume t here, then it is a form of 1 upon t. So log 5x square plus 1. Here you have to make first standard form by taking 5 common, then it becomes x square plus 1 upon 5, and you can write 1 upon root 5 square. We have not done the integration of this function. So we have to put the limit also. What are the limits? Limits they have given 0 to 1. 0 to 1. So you have to write 0 to 1 here also. You have to put 0 and 1. So 1 upon 5 log, if you put 1 here, so log 6. If you put 0 here, then it becomes log 1. Log 1 equal to 0, they no need to write. And the next 3 upon 5, 1 upon a. A in place of a, we have 1 upon root 5. So root 5 will come here. And tan inverse x upon a. X upon a means x upon 1 upon root 5. So root 5 will come here. You have to put the value 0 to 1. Then the answer will be 1 upon 5 log 6 plus 3 upon root 5. Root 5 say 5 ko we can cancel, and if you put x is equal to 1, then tan inverse root 5 plus c. So c, because it is a definite integral, so constant c will be 0, so there is no need to write c here. If you put 0, it becomes 0 only. So we have done. Okay, the integration was lengthy process because of we have to convert into integrals. One is 1 upon x form and other is x square plus a square upon form. We have used two formulas, 1 upon x integration log x or 1 upon x square plus a square. What is the formula? 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. Because in place of a we have 1 upon root 5, it becomes root 5x. So methods are इंटीग्रेशन के सेम है जैसे हमने अब तक जो एक्सरसाइज में किए थे वही मेथड हमने यूज करने, कोई नया मेथड तो इसके अंदर है नहीं, बस आपको वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे तो आप आराम से कर सकते हैं, उसमें ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा. ठीक है, तो इस एक्सरसाइज को आप कंप्लीट करो. कहो तो मैं नेक्स्ट भी बता देता हूँ. तो आप पर है, इफ यू आर डूइंग डेली योर वर्क then it will be very easy. And integration is a very difficult because so many formulas are there. You have to memorize also. If you do yourself work daily, then you will be able to learn. And which question now I should tell you. क्वेश्चन 20, चलो 20 और कर लेते हैं, एक और कर लेते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 है 1 to 1 0 x e to the power x sin pi x upon 4 ये आपको देखने में मुश्किल लग रहा है, लेकिन इसका इंटीग्रेशन कोई ज्यादा मुश्किल नहीं है ना. साइन एक्स का इंटीग्रेशन वी नो वेरी इजी, माइनस कॉस एक्स जस्ट टू द पावर एक्स dx and 0 to 1 sin x upon 4 dx. So in this question you can use first function and second function Which function you want to take first? First function and second function. If you first you integrate this one, integration of sin x is equal to cos pi x upon 4 minus pi cos pi x upon 4 0 to 1. Here we have to apply the first function and second function. Just take x e to the power x minus differentiation of first will be 1 and integration of second e to the power x dx. Here we have taken 0 to 1. If you put the value of x is equal to 1, you get e only. If you put 0, then it becomes 0. Okay, integration of e to the power x is equal to e to the power x. You have to put again 0 and 1 here. And if you put here 1, you will get minus cos pi by 4 and minus plus cos 0. It is e minus it is also e to the power 0. Then it comes here cos pi by 4 give 9 cos 2 1 or cos 0 is equal to 1. Answer is 2 minus 1 upon root 2. 1 upon x square, you can write tan inverse x and put the value of upper limit and lower limit. You will get the answer 22 also. So this exercise is completed. Let's start the next exercise. 7.10. It is a definite integral. It is also a definite integral. But we have to add substitution the name is substitution method. You have to substitute the value. We could do all the question directly without substituting. But here you will get you have to substitute some values, then you have to change the limit also. If you just see the question, first question. Method is exactly same, x square plus 1, but they have substitution method. Okay. So if you assume that, suppose if you put the value of x square plus 1 is equal to t. We have done in last exercise also, but we integrated directly without putting the value, without substituting. If you want to substitute, you have to change the limit also. Okay. If you differentiate, it becomes 2x dx is equal to dt. यानी कि in place of x dx you can write 1 upon 2 in place of x square plus 1 you are writing t, or in place of x dx you are writing dt upon 2. Now you have to substitute the limit also. If you put in place of x is equal to 1, so t is equal to क्या हो जाएगा? If you take x is equal to 1, then t is equal to 2. If you take x is equal to 0, then t equal to 1. ठीक है, आपको सिर्फ वैल्यूज पुट करनी है. जो अपर लिमिट हमने पुट करी उसके अकॉर्डिंग t की वैल्यू क्या आती है, तो हम 0 पुट करते हैं उसकी वैल्यू क्या आती है. तो यहाँ पर हमारी वैल्यू चेंज हो गई 1 to 2 हो गई. तो यानी कि 1/2 log t हो गया. तो log t का मतलब you have to put values now 1 to 2. If you put log 2 minus log 1 0, यानी कि आंसर विल बी 1/2 log 2. जरूरी नहीं है कि आप जो है इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूशन ही करते, इसको आप डायरेक्टली भी कर सकते थे. कैसे? जैसे हमने इसको, अगर हम इसको वेरिएबल को चेंज कर देते हैं बाद में, ये आपका dt हो गया, ठीक है. इसको हमने डायरेक्टली, जैसे हम अगर इसको हम x में ही रहने देते तो हम x की वैल्यूज पुट करते. अगर आप इसको t में x में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं, फिर उसके बाद हमें फिर x की वैल्यू पुट करनी पड़ेगी. चलिए अब जो क्वेश्चन आएगा तभी मैं बता दूंगा आपको. इसको दूसरा को सेकंड देते हैं. π/2 रूट साइन 5. इससे एक्सरसाइज में कम ही क्वेश्चन है, तो आप आज दोनों ही एक्सरसाइज कर लो तो ज्यादा सही है. cos टू दी पावर 5 d5, ठीक है. यहाँ पर हम किसको t लेट करें, और इसकी लिमिट है 0 to π/2, ठीक है. अगर हम साइन 5 को t लेट करते हैं, साइन लेट sin 5 equal to t. The differentiation will be cos 5 d5 equal to dt. So value will, limit will get changed. If you put 5 is equal to π/2, है ना, तो sin 5/2 pi sin 90 1 हो जाएगा. तो then t equal to 1. if 5 equal to कितना है, π/2 है, और 5 is equal to अगर हम 0 लेते हैं तो t equal to कितना हो जाएगा, 0 हो जाएगा. तो 0 to 1. In place of sin 5 we are putting t, so t to the power 1/2. Cos 5 we have used here, cos to the power 4, 5 is still remaining, है ना. In place of cos 5 d5 is equal to dt we have put, एक 5 हमने यूज कर लिया, यानी कि cos टू दी पावर कितना है, 5 पावर थी, तो हमने एक यूज कर ली. तो बाकी we have to convert in the term of t. So how will you convert it? t to the power 1/2 1 minus sin power 2, ठीक है. इसको हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, cos टू दी पावर 4 है, तो cos स्क्वायर को क्या लिख सकते हैं, 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, साइन स्क्वायर 5, ठीक है. पावर तो की 2 पावर तो हमने यहाँ पर यूज कर ली, और 2 पावर स्टिल रिमेनिंग, तो हमने इसको यहाँ पर पुट कर दी. अब हमें इसकी साइन 5 की जगह हमें क्या पुट करना है, t पुट करना है. t पुट करने के बाद फिर हमें इंटीग्रेट कर लेंगे इसको. है 0 to 1 t to the power 1/2 1 minus t square to the power 2 dt. अब इसको क्या करेंगे हम, इसको a माइनस b का होल स्क्वायर, बिकॉज वी कैन नॉट यूज हेयर प्रोडक्ट रूल, so you have to first a minus b whole square t to the power 4 minus 2t square or dt. Now you will multiply with t to the power 1/2, then it will be t to the power 1/2 plus t to the power 4 to the 8 9/2 minus 2 t to the power 5/2 plus, ठीक है. Now you have to integrate. We will add the 1 power, then it becomes t to the 3/2 divided by 3/2. T to the power 11/2 divided by 11/2 minus 2 t to the power 7/2 divided by 7/2. Now you have to put the values 0 to 1. If we put the value 0, then it becomes 0. It's just you have to put only 1, upper limit only. So 2 upon 3. It will be only 2 upon 3. It will be 2 upon 11. It will be 2 upon 7. Okay, just you have to take the LCM, whatever you will get the answer, okay, that will be your solution. So we have completed these two questions, okay, of this exercise. The method is nothing is changed, okay. Same way you can do directly. Third question we have done in the one exercise also. You have to put x is equal to tan theta, then it will be tan inverse sin 2 theta, then it will be 2 theta only. Question number 4 you can also do. Question number 5, just assume cos x is equal to t, this differentiation in numerator. In question number 6, 0 to 2 dx, you have to make the completing square method. In question number 7 also you have to use the completing square method. In question number 8, 1 upon x. So question number 8, just do the question number 8. Question number 8 है 1 to 2 1 upon x minus 1 upon 2x square e to the power 2x dx. You have, as told you one day here earlier, it is a form of e to the power x, fx and f dash x. Okay. Whenever its differentiation of 1 upon x will be minus 1 upon x square. But here you are seeing it is 2. 2 is because of the, if we differential coefficient of power of e to the power, no, will be 2. If we have to divide by 2 also, then you can directly write it is in the form of e to the power x. This form is e to the power x fx plus f dash x dx. Then you can use e to the power x fx by using this relation. Okay. We can write e to the power x fx. Because here we have e to the power x only. If you have e to the power 2x, the differential coefficient you have to divide by differential coefficient of e to the power x also. ये आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा कि जब भी कभी ऐसा होता है कि e की पावर x की जगह e की पावर 3x हो गई तो you have to divide by 3, है ना. Whatever you have in power of e, you have to divide by the coefficient of the x. So by dividing we get 2 here. So the differential will be only e to the power 2x and fx. Fx is 1 upon x. Now you have to put the value lower limit and upper limit. Upper limit का मतलब e to the power 4 divided by 2 minus e to the power 2 upon 1. This will be your answer. This is the question number 8. So this exercise is also completed. Question number, just see 9 also, 9 and 10 both we can do. Question number 9 है 1 upon 3 to 1 x minus x cube divided by x to the power 4 whole to the power 1/3 है ना. It is looking very complicated, but you can convert in standard form. X minus x cube whole to the power 1/3 divided by x to the power 4. ये x to the power 4 जो है ये उसकी पावर में नहीं आ रहा है, ये मैंने गलती से लिख दिया है. ये जो है ऊपर वाली की पावर ही है बस. ये x to the power 4 it is separated. So you can write this expression 1/3 1. You can take x to the power 3 common. If you take x to the power 3 common, then it will become only x 1/x square minus 1 divided by x to the power 4 dx. You can eliminate one power also here. Now you assume, if you assume 1/x square minus 1 is equal to t. So what will be the differentiation? The differentiation will be minus 2/x cube dx is equal to dt. You can change the limit also. If you change the limit, if you put x is equal to 1, so you will get t is equal to 0. Okay. If you put x is equal to 1/3, then 9 minus 1 it becomes 8. We are putting 1/x square minus 1 is equal to t. And minus 2/x cube. Now x cube is available here, but it is divided by minus 2 or dt. Then integration will be minus 1/2 t square upon 2. Now you have to put these values 8 and 0. If you put 0, then the value will be 0 only. If you put minus, by taking minus sign, lower limit, if you whenever put the lower limit, we use the minus sign, then it becomes minus plus, and we are putting in place of 8t equal to 864 divided by 2. Then 2 to the 4, है ना, यानी कि 16 हो गया. The answer will be only 16. So numerical portion you can do yourself. ठीक है. So numerically there no problem. Depends on you how you solve it. But you have, whenever you change the variable, so you have to change the limit also. After changing the limit, you have to integrate. Also we have, so then we can complete. क्योंकि बेटे लास्ट क्वेश्चन में fx is equal to 0 to x. fx is equal to 0 to x d. So we have to find the integration only, है ना. Differentiate f dash x we have to find. Differentiating of both sides. If we differentiate, so integration will be cancelled. So the function will remain same, t sin t. So you have to put the value of 0 and x. So by putting x, we get x sin x minus 0. So x sin x will be your answer only. So x sin x is the option B. B is the correct option. Okay. So now we have completed this exercise 7.9 also, 7.9 also. Okay. So just you try to complete these two exercises. So tomorrow we will start the some properties of definite integer. So whatever we have done up till, just try to complete all the questions. Okay. Now we are completing. Now we are leaving. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.